In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Battlefield 4 for the PC. There are two different methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first step is to go into the search bar on the bottom left, type in CMD. You're going to see a command prompt come up, right click on this and hit it, run as administrator, hit yes. Once this comes up, you want to type in sfc/scan now. And what this will do is this will scan your entire PC for corrupt files, and then it will automatically fix them. So wait for this to finish, restart your PC, and then see if the error is still there. If it is, you can move on to method number 2. Method number 2, I'll put a link in the video description below, but it will bring you to this page. Once you are on this page, you want to click on the download link for the Visual C runtimes all in one. And once you've done that, you want to, it will look like this in your download. You want to right click on it and say extract all. And once you have done that, you will see this folder look something like this. On the very top, you're going to see a file called install_all.bat. Double click on this and this will run all of these one by one. And that is exactly what you want. This will fix any kind of C++ DLL errors your Windows system is having, and this will fix your problem. If this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. It really helps. See you in the next video.